Hey guys, welcome back to the Burton Life. We are enjoying this beautiful weather today.
We're sitting on my splash pad.
We are setting up her splash pad.
I was waiting to set up my splash pad. I got my water stuff from Walmart.
We're having an outside day today. We got Maverick over here playing on the deck. We're gonna work on the boat. She's gonna play in her splash pad, and it's just gonna be a beautiful day. So stay tuned.
I'm so excited to get on my splash pad.
So we're sitting here, I was feeding Maverick, and we keep smelling something. And we knew there were some baby rabbits that were under here. Well, they didn't make it.
Baby rabbits that are dead underneath here.
So, I was trying not to say it, but whatever. That's true. She gotta learn sometime. So, they stink. We don't know how long they've been under there like that.
Listen, they're right here, but they're all dead, okay?
We think Mama didn't come back.
Something got to them and killed them, okay?
So we are having to get them out from under the deck.
Look, come here.
Oh, they're little.
See them? They went to heaven to be with Jesus.
Hard lessons
We got them.
to learn as a child.
I'll get a bag and we'll put them in a bag and we'll throw them away.
So the other day I asked Nick, he said something about John Boat Green or something, and I said I didn't know that they were any other color than like the silver aluminum color, and he just found the factory color. So, little tidbit for you if you didn't know it like I didn't. Oh geez, what are we doing? Okay. Well, how about I get it down and then you carry it? Okay. Sounds like a plan, Stan. You got it? She's just living her best life. She doesn't care how cold it is. Nick's just wiping everything down so we can get it ready to paint. And Maverick's over here just doing Maverick things. We brought our canopy out so that way he could be over here by us instead of up on the other deck. Because he wants to be a part too. Yeah, do you want to be a part too? He's getting hungry.
Okay, so we're going to take a minute away from getting the boat ready to paint so we can put Maverick in the splash pad for the first time, see what he thinks. So I'll get this turned around and you guys can watch.
Well, today's kind of been all over the place, but Nick has gotten the whole outside painted. He's finishing up the last little bit. And then we're calling it a day. The babies are a little hot and tired. Did you have fun playing in your splash pad? Yeah.
I got paint on my foot.
You sure did.
And I held my foot on her potty chair.
She got a little baby doll that has a little potty chair, and she hurt her foot on it. So that's what we're doing the rest of the day, just kind of hanging out, probably editing videos, and we're going to let it dry, and then probably tomorrow flip it over and do the inside. So
You want me to drink that?
Maybe. Maybe. He's finishing it up, and we're just going to hang out the rest of the night and work on it tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.